Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Infiniti QX60 hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever inside the vehicle. It's usually found on the driver's side, down by your left foot, near the kick panel. This lever is designed to be easily accessible and will have a distinct icon, often a car with its hood slightly ajar. Pull this lever firmly to disengage the first latch mechanism. You'll hear a click as the hood pops up slightly. Once you've pulled the interior release, the hood will pop up just a small amount, creating a gap. Now, move to the front of your Infiniti QX60. You'll need to locate the secondary safety latch. This crucial mechanism is typically found directly under the front edge of the hood, often near the center or slightly to one side. It's designed to prevent the hood from flying open accidentally, even if the primary latch is released. Feel around for a small lever or tab. With the secondary safety latch located, you'll typically need to push it to one side or lift it upwards to fully disengage the hood. Once released, you can carefully lift the hood all the way open. It's important to lift it smoothly and avoid any sudden movements. After the hood is fully open, find the prop rod. This rod is usually attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Insert the end of the prop rod into the designated hole to securely hold the hood open while you work. When you're finished, carefully remove the prop rod from its support and secure it back in its clip. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 1 foot or 12 inches above the engine bay. Do not drop it from a high distance. Finally, apply firm, even pressure to the center of the hood, pushing it down until you hear both the primary and secondary latches click into place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's fully secured before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.